Hey guys, welcome back to A Minute Monday. It's been a hot minute since I've filmed one of these videos, but today I'm gonna go ahead and be bringing you guys a video based off a face lifting massage. Now this face lifting massage has been something that I've learned over the years. I'm actually going in with the Huxley oil. This is a Korean brand. I am also doing a mini review on this that will be soon coming out. Before we get on into it, don't forget to go ahead and click that thumbs up and to subscribe down below. It helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, so please don't be shy on giving this video a thumbs up. Okay, first starting off, we're gonna go ahead and put our hair back. As you can tell, I already did that. And then you're gonna go ahead and go in with an oil. You can go in with a cream if you like, and then we're gonna go ahead and put some in our hands and then spread it all over our face and our neck. I'm gonna go ahead and put about 7 drops in my hands. You can do like, I'd say like a teaspoon would be good. You want enough to put all over your face. We're gonna go ahead and start with our neck first. So we're gonna start from our ears, bottom of our ears, and we're gonna work our way down, pushing down your neck and kind of working that area out. If you sleep, sometimes you feel like you wake up with a sore neck, this is a great place to massage first. You're gonna repeat that on the other side as well. And then you can take your thumbs and your front fingers, or you can even go like this if you wanted to. I'm gonna go ahead and start off this way. So we're gonna start at the front of our chin. We're gonna work our way back towards our ears. You're just gonna wanna push. And this is gonna be a good way to massage this portion of your muscles right here. If you end up getting a really stiff, tight jaw, I get that quite often actually. This is a great massage to do to help kind of release that tension. And this is also gonna help define your jaw as you continuously do this. This is a nice way to help lift your face. Like I said, you can do it this way too, where you go like that. So you have it right here. You're gonna go up like this. And you also kind of want to just keep fingers here too and go in circular motions. Whenever you're working with your face, you always kind of want to move up. That's what I've learned over time, that moving your face up helps lift your muscles to go up and lift your face upwards. You can also even take just your knuckle of your finger and you can go like this, going up your face right under where you would naturally contour. So you can go under your cheekbone like this, you go up, and I always do this pulling motion upwards as well, just to help your face kind of naturally go up. And then also from here, going up like this, you're gonna wanna go up in this direction too. This will help lift your face as well. So you can go up like this. And then when you come towards this area right here on your nose, I always kind of go like this and then bring it up. Even with your smile lines right here. And you push up, go up, and then down. Up, and then down, just out like that. Even on the forehead, I kind of go like this, and I kind of just draw it out this way. So we're gonna go and move the blood and the muscle up and out. I always also grab underneath my eyebrow and I pull up and out. And also a great way if you're especially having headaches as well, it's great to go with your knuckles again. I always go right underneath the fronts of my eyebrow. I push and then I draw along my eyebrows. This will hurt, I will warn you about that, but it will hurt, but it's great for those days when you get front headaches that are happening right in the front because what I've learned is that it's because you've been staring at a screen for too long. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and repeat that on the other side. Okay, so I did it to both sides of my face. So if you guys would like to try this, go ahead and let me know how it works for you. This is just kind of what I've learned over the couple of years. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys did, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.